Hello and welcome. Let me show you the 4 main reasons why Max helps businesses and everyday people manufacture at scale with professional quality. Max is built different. You're looking at 130 kilograms of steel and aluminum. This solid construction means that I can stand basically anywhere on the machine without causing damage or bending. When you combine that with our backlash-free ball screws, you can mill with unbeatable and consistent accuracy. The result? You can build product after product faster and with more consistency than ever before. We built Max to make your workflow easy and safe. Our smart switch cabinet comes with status LEDs. This not only looks great, but also offers easy status monitoring and troubleshooting, enhancing your safety and efficiency. Our servo motors are closed loop and they are also equipped with status LEDs on all axes. They come with an emergency halt feature via signal output back to the switch cabinet, adding a safety layer and ensuring peace of mind during operations, not only protecting the machine, but also you. With these key features, you can reduce milling errors, broken bits, and ruined projects. Interacting with your CNC should be smooth and actually fun. Now you can say goodbye to external computers. Max has a full-blown computer within the switch cabinet with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, and a 14-inch screen for effortless control with your fingertips.
We use a custom Linux CNC version that runs on a stand-alone computer. This means you don't need to connect your personal computer to the machine and expose it to dust and milling chips. At CNC ONE, we have separated design from machining operations, streamlining your workflow, keeping it clean, and enhancing efficiency. Our machine comes with a touchscreen interface, putting all essential CNC functionalities at your fingertips. This user-friendly design ensures that everything you need is just a touch away. If you prefer traditional inputs, no problem. Of course, you can use a mouse and a keyboard. This flexibility ensures a personalized workflow in a way that suits you best.
As a CNC ONE customer, you gain access to our academy. With the academy, you need zero knowledge about CNC to actually start. Our step-by-step tutorials streamline your entire startup process to guide you through milling your first project right when the machine arrives. With over 60 video lessons, we make entering the CNC world as easy as possible and fun. Every maker knows the feeling of working with a great tool for the first time. All the frustrations from your makeshift solutions disappear and you can never go back. CNC ONE is more than just a machine. It is your partner in bringing ambitious projects to life with precision and ease. Thank you for watching. We are excited to see what you will create with CNC ONE.